Okay, kakauwi lang namin galing vacation. And look at my face. Ang daming pimples. Kailangan ko na talagang mag-skincare. Mga 2 weeks ko ata hindi nagamit tong cleanser kasi naubusan ako sa buong trip. So, I have to use it. Then, kumuha lang kayo ng average amount. Completely blend. You can see the consistency. Tap it to your face. Just like that. Rub it. Tapos, magto-toner na tayo. Hala, konti na lang yung toner ko. Laban yan. Tip, 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 tip. And lastly, our Acne Miracle Pimple Corrector. My God, ang dami kong pimples.